When you find the best hires and create users out of them, it is now time to prepare everything for their arrival and onboard them with ease. Using our pre-hire packets will allow you to send your new hires a standardized form before they start. They will fill it out with the necessary information, and all of this data will be automatically transferred to their user folder. No more manual work and retyping for you. How does that sound? In Users' new hire packets, you may create multiple templates that you will later repeatedly launch. Click the Add button and name your template accordingly, like New Colleague London. For now, we can skip the start date and the time to show up, as this will always differ from case to case. But we can already select a location to arrive on the first day, a contact person, and add some greetings and instructions. I will type in, "Welcome to our team. We're happy to have you on board," to the headline field. As a welcome text, I will use something like, "We'll introduce you to our team. You'll be guided around the office and you'll be given assets." For the other instructions, I will type in, "Grab a chip," for the elevators at the reception. Now to the important part. In the next section, you can specify what kind of information you want to receive from your new hire. Personal information like phone numbers and insurances, contact addresses, bank details, or emergency contacts. Additionally, if you need to store even more information, simply create them as custom fields. For example, I'd like to know if our new employee wants to apply for some discounts for relatives, or maybe I need to process his passport number. Lastly, decide whether it's a required field or not. In the next section, you can help introduce your new colleague to other team members. Use our AI to generate a couple of questions for them that they will answer, and these answers will then appear on the main dashboard in the app, so everyone can read it and get to know your new star. Last but not least, you may insert a link to your GDPR document and make your hire to acknowledge it. Everything is set up, and you can start using this template. You already know how to send a pre-hire packet from the ATS module when you create a new user from the accepted candidate. Remember, right? But let's quickly go to the management of users to see how the whole flow works for other cases. I will create a new user and set them as inactive. This is crucial, as you can only send pre-hire packets to inactive users. I will also make sure that I enter a private email address first, because usually new employees get company email addresses only after they start working. Worry not, you can later change the email address. There is one more thing I will cover. Before I send the pre-hire packet, I will create the user, move to the User Interface tab, and select the appropriate language for all notifications. Now, I can go to the New Hire Packet section again, select the right template and send it. All you need to do is to select the starting date and the time to show up. And of course, select your new employee. Once sent, your new hire will receive an email notification that they have been assigned this pre-hire packet. They can open it from their email and they will be prompted to verify themselves. That's when they receive another email with the code that they can copy and paste back. Right after that, a pre-hire packet, or entry questionnaire, will pop up and they should fill it out. After they complete this questionnaire, all the data will be automatically populated in their user folder and you will get a notification about it. Let's move to the app to check their profile. Opening their folder and the Personal Information tab, you can see that everything was indeed correctly stored. Lovely.